Howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Craig. I want to share with y'all my duty belt setup. Some people might call this your first line gear. This is essentially just what I wear to a rifle class, or if I'm doing some type of pistol class that is not meant for concealment, this is what I will wear. And I want to take you guys through it because I've had this for several years and this is what really works for me. So first off, I want to keep things as slick as possible. And if I do have anything on my back, I want to keep it as slim as I can. So first off, right here up front, I do have a cat tourniquet. I think this is a North American tourniquet pouch. I have a Mid Ride. I think this is a UBL on this Safariland setup. I think this is a tier 1 holster. I need to probably carry a Safariland like 6390, but nonetheless, right back here I have a Leatherman MUT. Also back there I think this is this is the Leatherman tool, but I believe this is a B5 Systems little M4 tool. It's got a bunch of different things on there, especially for the castle nut, right? And then some other things specifically for the AR. So I'll keep this with me, and it really comes in handy when you're teaching AR classes. So Leatherman MUT. Back here on this side, this is a Blue Force Gear blowout patch. I really like this because it's really slimline, and then it has this IR thing in there. So if I'm running like a night vision class, people can really, or a nighttime class, people can really pick that up. My mag pouches are I think ESSTAC Kiwi. Right here I think this is a low or a mid rifle, and then my 2 Glock pistol pouches on there. I usually do my AR stuff beer can and then pistol mags to the front. The belt itself is a Raptor Tactical. It's my Glock 34 I've been shooting today. It is a Raptor Tactical. Yep, this is a large. I've had this for many years and it works really well. But the thing that makes this kit work, and I just picked this up not too long ago, the RDR Gear stiff inner belt. The belt that came with that, it was decent, it worked, but I noticed like my belt would flop around and it would not stay sturdy and secure until I got this RDR belt from Jeff. The difference between rigidity and stability of my belt rig is like night and day difference. So if you don't have a belt system, I highly encourage you to go check out RDR Gear. But if you do and you're really not happy with how it wears or how secure it is, or if it moves around too much, I highly recommend you guys go get you an inner belt from RDR Gear. This thing is extremely stiff. I'll kind of take this off and show you guys. Yeah, it's got the soft loop on the outside. So because my belt on the inside is the hook. So anyway, fantastic. This is a game changer. So just a quick rundown of my belt setup. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Do what works for you guys. That's what works for me. Hopefully, you can find some stuff that makes your life that much better. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be smart, be skilled. Catch you on the next one.